बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम आमीन. Linear law lecture number 2, type 2 question. In this type, a table of experimental values of x and y with an equation will be given for plotting the straight line graph with respect to the given equation. First, bring the given equation into y is equal to mx plus c form, and then compare it with y is equal to mx plus c to get the variables which we need to be drawn on the vertical and horizontal axis. Then construct a new table of values, then draw the graph, and then follow the 5 steps of type 1 question to complete this question. For example, given the values of x and y, the question is draw the straight line graph of y is equal to kx power n. Use your graph to estimate the values of k and n. Answer. Number 1, bring this given equation into y is equal to mx plus c form by taking ln on both sides. So by taking ln on both sides, we have ln y and ln x plus ln k, and called or named this as equation number 1. Now compare this equation with the standard linear law equation to get the values of the vertical and horizontal variables. So on vertical axis, we need to draw ln y. On horizontal axis, ln x will be drawn, whereas gradient is small n and c is ln k. So hence the graph of ln y against ln x needs to be drawn where gradient is small n and intercept is ln k. The table of values is this ln x and ln y. By using a calculator, you can get the values of ln x and ln y up to 2 decimal places. It's better to write the values up to 2 decimal places. This is the graph of ln y against ln x. Always use crosses to plot the graph of straight line. Extend the straight line to get the ln y intercept. Make sure you always extend the straight line to get this intercept. Label both the axes correctly, ln y, ln x. Take any 2 points on the line except the plotted points, because the plotted points may or may not be perfectly lie on the line of this best fit. This is known as the line of best fit as well, to find the gradient. So you can take any 2 points on the line to get the gradient. So I'm taking 0 and 9 and 4 and 6.1. So by using gradient formula, I've got minus 0.725 as gradient. Since gradient was small n, therefore the value of small n will be minus 0.725. The ln y intercept is 9 according to this sketch. This is 9. Therefore c is 9. But ln y intercept was ln k, and the base of ln is always e. Therefore k is equal to e power 9, and you can use calculator to get the value up to 2 significant or 3 significant figures. So that's the answer of k, and this is the answer of n. Be beneficial to others. That's the tip of this class, advice for all of you. Good luck. We have finished this chapter. Allah Hafiz. Alhamdulillah, we have finished this chapter. Allah Hafiz.